Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Let's blow the candle. ครับผมขอบคุณมากครับโอเคขอบคุณครับเย้ Hi guys! Magandang araw! And today is July 20 and it's my birthday. So, ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa Krua Ban Pabun or Kitchen of Auntie Bun. Yan, in English ko na. So, kasama ko lahat yung aking pamilya. At saka maya-maya pupunta dito yung pamilya ni Plemay, yung mama, papa, kuya niya. I'm not really sure kung nandito na sila. Pero usually guys, pagka meron kami celebration, lagi kami pumunta dito sa ano na to, sa lugar na to. So, meron pang dinosaur doon guys, oh. Grabe, taas. Ano yung tangkal, oh? Hindi, may siya entrance, may siya lang. Ito na yung dinosaur guys, oh. Wow, ang gaganda. Si Eva takot sa dinosaur kaya tingnan mo guys. Nagpapakarga. Wow! Mag-i-enjoy talaga dito si Eva kasi alam niyo guys, ang daming slider, you know. Gustong-gusto niya yan. Kaya nabilhan namin siya ng slider sa bahay kasi gustong-gusto niya. Ayaw niya talaga ano. Kaya siyempre, as a parents guys, gusto natin na magkaroon yung ating mga anak na ma-experience nila yung magkaroon ng sariling mga gamit. Why are you afraid of Incredible Hulk? Huh? Incredible Hulk. Meron ding robot doon. Si Bumblebee, you know. Ngayon naman si Mrs. ay namimili na siya ng ano ng ating lamesa. So ito yung ating ditong view guys. Ayan oh. Ang ganda ng ambience. May mga puno. May mga isda. Pwede ka rin mag-feed dito ng mga fish. Meron silang binibenta, no? Grabe, ang dami oh. Ayan, nakapili na kami ng aming cottage. Ano? Yan. Mamaya, feed tayo ng ano, ng isda.
Ha? พอไหมเนี่ย10 คนเซียวป่ะยากป่ะไปดูข้าวบ้างก่อน
Okay, Eva, choose your food. Order. What do you want? Look at my baby. So beautiful. And this is my sister-in-law, guys. Her name is Mimi. This is my mother-in-law. And this is close friend of mother-in-law. And I also call her nanay. So yung tawag po sa lola dito sa Thailand, depende po yun kung saan side. Kung side naman siya ng sa asawa mo, mama ng asawa mo, ang tawag doon is yay. Pero pag sa side ko naman, ang tawag sa kanya ng aking anak is ya. Yun po yung difference nila. So ya at saka yay. Okay, so alis kami guys kasi medyo maliit yung aming upuan. So meron sila ni-recommend doon na mas malaki kasi baka kasi hindi kami magkasya dyan kasi si Plemay kuya niya, papa at mama niya. So ito na yung ating new location. Mas mahaba siya, tsaka marami siyang upuan. Yan. Wow! Handpong! Mimi, handpong!
Very excellent. ก็เห็นฟ้า
So ayan, at kami ay naka-order na. Mukhang marami-rami yung na-order namin, guys. Isa itong na-order namin, pakita ko sa inyo. Saan na ba yan? Ito, namtok mo. Isa yan sa pinaka-paborito ko. Ito ba yan? Ito ba? Okay lang, ha? Saan na ba yan? Ito yung malaki siyang guys, fried rice, seafood fried rice, malaking plato. O saan na pa ba? Pa ba yung pinili namin? Yung yun, isda na pinirito yun eh. Isa din yun sa masarap dito. Tapos umorder rin kami ng salmon, para siyang ganito, guys. Yun. Sarap! Yan yung mga Thai food, guys. So ito yung nabanggit ko kanina. Ito yung pagkain ng mga isda. Let's try. Let's go. Wow! You have food for fish already. Come here.
นั่งลงก่อนนั่งนี่ดิ
Okay. Wow. Okay na. Wow.
ทำไมเราปากกัน
Kamay. Okay, ploy. Yay. Ao mày. Okay, very good. Yay. เก่งมาก เอาใหม่
กำไว้
เอา
ให้มันให้เราเป็น
โอเค go เย้เก่งจังเลยว้ายang lalaki ng isda.
จับไว้เพชรโทรมา
Later come here first. Ito na, ito yung kuya ni Plemay, guys. Ayun naman si papa niya, si Plemay. Yan. Yun yung mama niya.
เราก็เดินจากไดโนเสาร์เข้ามา
Yan na. ฮะไม่ไหม
ไม่ไหม
ดีเจไม่ไหมจ้า
เห็นผี
เฮ้ยPiniprepare na yung ating drinks. Saka meron din tayong beer. So, paminsan-minsan lang naman para celebrate sa ating kaarawan, para makapagtipon-tipon tayong mga pamilya. Yun, dumating na yung ating fried rice at saka yung ating fish, fried fish. So, ito na yung ating iced tea. Woo! Ayan na yung mga order. Sarap! Try natin yung sumpa. Hop.
Okay, mga kapoy. Mamam.
โอ้อร่อยมากเลย
So, bihira lang talaga kami makompleto, guys. Bihira lang talaga. So, this time, nakompleto kami. Ay, yan. Nasalo-salo kami. At, Pero may nakompleto kami sa birthday ko. Saya, di ba?
ตกเลยดิ
Wow!
ถูกไปเลยนะ
Try my like this.
แพรร้อยกระปุก
Ang lahong. Wow, look at this guys. Woo! Sarap. Tapos ito yung sauce niya. Oh. Yan. Fresh. Ano po yan? Shrimp. Where are you going? Okay. Where are you going? You wanna see daddy? Ay! Lang, okay.
แก้มพี่ไม้ก่อนจุ๊บพี่ไม้ก่อน
Hey! You're so chill.
ใครเหรอ
Whose birthday? Kay one good. Whose birthday?
ไอ้มันเกิดไม่รู้
It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Let's blow the candle. ครับผมขอบคุณมากครับโอเคขอบคุณครับเย้ขอบคุณครับเย้ลาตาลาตาว่ะ
น่ารักขนาดนี้แต่เค้กชิ้นน่ารักกระจุ๊บกระดิ้ง
ไม่จำเป็นต้องใหญ่หรอกแค่นี้แหละ
เราอยู่แต่บ้านนี้ก็มีความสุข
เออ
แค่นี้ก็มีความสุขจากแม่กำลังดูแล
I
พ่
said
อแม่ได้ยัง
no need to be a big cake, just small cake, no need to worry. Akala ko hindi alam ni mother-in-law na birthday ko today, so pala, alam niya pala na naalala niya. hindi ko na pinagsasabi na no birthday kasi alam mo guys pagka medyo may edad ka na, hindi pa naman masyado no. Parang hindi ko na siya gustong ibulgar na birthday ko. Parang maturity na siguro to no. I think. Wow! Freebies! Wow! Thank you!
มีกับตัวน้อยนู่นแต่ใหญ่โตแล้ว
Wow! What is that?
แม่อะไรอ่ะลูก
Wow!
ว้าวได้มัมเอามัมอีกได้ไหมคะขออีกหน่อยค่ะ
Daddy call หน่อย Can you give me? Can you give me? Wow! Can you give me?
ไม่ใช่นมตัวเองไง
Can you give
ไม่
me?
ใช่นมมันไงอะไรไม่เอา
Can you give me? Oh, she doesn't want because it's different from her milk.
ไม่ใช่ฟอร์มอสเหรอลูกเหรอไม่ใช่นมน้องเหรอใส่
Okay. Can you please clean the water, baby? Okay, very good. Okay, over there, over here. Wow. Hey, you're not finished yet. Wow. Wow, over here. Wow, set down. Over here, set it out. Go.
ไม่เอาให้เช็ดก่อน
Getting lazy now. Okay, set. Okay, very good. That's it. Wow, ยายแพงคนไหน Wow.
คนไหนดุ
ยายอยู่ไหน
เย้ชม
ยาย
ไม่ไหมล่ะ
ไม่อยู่ไหนไม่ไหม
ไหนไม่ไหม
อ๋อไม่ไหม
แล้วรู้จักไหมนี่ใครเอ่ยอันนี้ใครดี
ไม่ใช่ลูกไม่ใช่นะนี่ไม่ใช่
อันนี้ใคร
คุณหมอ
ไม่รู้จักอันนี้ใครคุณหมอค่ะคุณหมอเพชรค่ะอันนี้ใครโอ้ยยากเลยดีมายากเลย Happy birthday to you ต้นเข้ามายิ้มเลยอ่ะอุ้ย Happy birthday to you
Oh,
ว้าว
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Eva, what are you eating? Huh? What is that? Oh, spicy na. Spicy.
เอาสิเอาสิเอาสิ
Ow.
ป้าบอกใช่ไหมอ่ะกินน้ำกินน้ำน้ำ
Na.
เผ็ดใช่ไหม
Spicy เหรอ Ah.
อีกน้ำอีกน้ำอีกน้ำป้าบอกแล้วใช่ไหมกินน้ำ
Because you don't listen. Said it's spicy.
เล่าให้เหมียวฟังยังไงการแก
Yan, so ito na yung ating mga pagkain guys. Yan, medyo ubos na. At yung aming beer, ubos na din. So, mag-ano na po kami, nag-check bill na kami. At yun na po yung aking celebration ng aking birthday. Kasama ang aking family. Yeah, with my daughter, Everin. So medyo namumula-mula na ako. Hindi na medyo, namumula na talaga. Kasi nakarami-rami din kami na inom ng beer, no? So paminsan-minsan lang naman, celebration with family. At hindi naman kailangan bongga yung ating celebration, no? So simple lang, importante kasama sila, masaya, bonding. At yun. Thank you for watching guys and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!